If you have really dry skin, like when your makeup does this in the middle of the day, if this has ever happened to you, you know it's the worst thing ever. This happens to me whenever I put products on my face that dry it out, and then the makeup just makes it worse. I just got this product, Flash Facial, basically exfoliates your face in 1 minute. Apparently all of the actresses and celebrities in Hollywood use it, so let's try that. So apparently your skin has to be clean and damp before you use it. So my face is now wet, so let's get into it. Rub this in for a minute, and it literally brightens your skin and it peels it all off. Oh my god. It's happening. Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh my god, it's literally falling off. So apparently actresses and actors get sent to this person, Sonya Dakar, to get their acne or face in check before they like start big movies. Like they literally go to skin boot camp. But literally look at all these flakes. That's so disgusting. Okay, now I'm just moisturizing my skin. Now I'm using their omega oil just to like hydrate my skin a little bit more. I literally feel like my skin is just like drinking this up. I don't know if you guys remember what my skin looked like in the beginning of this video, but what just happened? Like what just happened? Like this actually just changed my entire life.